Alright, bitches. It's been a long time since I was here. Hours. I didn't know what I was gonna do and drink. I'm more high than I was. But I delivered some stuff. I did not deliver to someone else's house, so they're gonna be pissed at me, but I'm a fucktard. It's alright. But look, I cut some of it down. The other one we'll do it tomorrow. I'm done. But got a Kaiser bun here. And I'm back on the brisk because I kind of fucked up, eh? Cheers, big ears. And I've gone through 4 wardrobe changes in this video. It's fucking amazing. And not for the video, just the way shit happened today. So, cheese. This is like old cheddar. And we're gonna wrap this in some fucking wax paper. Vaskapapirs. Myslieto some vaskapapirs. Vai tu runā latviski? So we're gonna use wax paper. Cheese. We're gonna put some of the meat on there. We got some German mustard, Lohnsenf. That one's from the Hobo Nickel. No, that one's actually from HMB. The Hobo Nickel one. I haven't opened that one yet. And we went to the neighbors there. They got the Norwegian mustard from Jatil. Okay. Let's put some of this stuff on here. Look at that, eh? That's fucking nice. Bitchy. Pork. Pulled pork. And we're gonna wrap this fucker in some, what do you call that shit? Yeah, the wax paper. And heat the fuck out of it. So we can melt the cheese. We don't want to cut the cheese, we want to melt the cheese. You get the fucking idea, right? So I'm gonna finish putting this together, because you don't need to watch the whole fucking thing, unless you really want to. I don't know. Oh, I'll eat that. Right now. Fuck me. That's fucking good. Yeah, bitches. Oh. Why is it pink? Is it not cooked? I was asked that tonight. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I'm feeding you raw fucking pig. It's exactly what I would do. Any bastard would do that. Yummy. Oh, you know what that needs too? Not a lot of it, but it needs some salt. It does. Really does. A little bit. Okay. Sea salt. There we go. Ba-boom. And Lohnsenf. We got a knife here. Good. We're good to go. Lohnsenf. Give her a mixeroo. Fine German mustard. Only thing missing, my sauerkraut ain't done yet. A few more weeks to go on that one. Alright, bitches, there you go. I'm gonna put some more cheese on there, and a little bit of pepper too, I think. Oh yeah, wax paper. We got that shit here too, right? This. I'm stoned, so if I don't know what the fuck's going on, well, you know, shit happens, right? Oh, shit happens. A little pepper. Oh, fuck me. You know what I got too? Haha, yes! I totally forgot about that. Bitchy! Where's the spoon? That's a little spoon. Where's the big spoon? I see one. Come here, cockeyes. I got some Swiss chalet sauce. Fucking A. Fucking Swiss chalet. We got the Charlie Mills on there. Oh, and the rub that we used on the pork shoulder was bastard rub. Get some fucking Swiss chalet sauce on there, eh? Fuck me, we need that fucking shit. Swiss chalet fucking rules. Fucking alright. Totally forgot about that. Nice. Mmm. Mmm. Yes! That was good. I like it. Okay. Now more cheese. I know it's taking a long time, but yeah, whatever. You get what you pay for. Something like that. Bitches. I'm drunk. I'm high. That's what this channel is about. It's about feeding yourself when you're drunk and fucking high. If you don't like it, you don't like swearing and music and shit, then fuck off. Lick my left fucking testicle. Fuck right off. Think I fucking need you? Nope. I do not. Okay. Vaska papiers. Momsen wat? Oh. Sorry, vaska papiers. Okay. There we go. La la la. Bitchy! Where's a kniff? We need a kniff. Let's cut this bitch in half. We're gonna heat you up, and then we're gonna eat you up. Bitchy! Come here, motherfucker. Yeah, baby. That's how you do it in the drunk house, fucktards. Bam! Nuke it, bitch. I don't know. Done. RTFO mofos. We'll be back. I gotta bag this shit up. Garshigs. Okay. Woo! Alright, bitches. This thing is heated up. I hope the cheese is melted. I learned a new word on YouTube. Bunch of fucking dumbasses with barbecue channels say the cheese is melty. Well, for all you fucking dumbasses that say the cheese is melty, there's no such fucking word. Cocksuckers. Oh, that's fucking hot. Look at that. Cheese on top, cheese on the bottom, and you got that fucking lonesome in there, eh? The cheese is melted. It's not melty. Fucking assholes. Fuck me. Oh, it's no good. Oh, fucking hell. Woo! Oh my god. That's fucking glorious, I tell you what. I tell you what. What? Oh yeah, bitches. Make this shit. Just put a pork shoulder on and let her go. Use whatever fucking rub you want. And you don't need a binder, see? Even though everybody tells you you need one. Except for me. I'm not against binders. They're good for your school notes. That's awesome. Alright, bitches. Gotta take some medicine, drink some more of this shit. Today's tea is brisk. I'm not doing it this time at this place. Because I had brisk before. There you go. In this video before, I mean. Alright, bitches. RTFO, close. Keep on rocking in the free world.